I once heard a quote that stuck with me, and it said, "We accept the reality of the world in which we are presented." And if you're already looking around for another video, scrolling, or already looking at the comments, let me tell you right now, you're just like everyone else. You're hooked, you have a low attention span. You want to change your life, but you can't even sit still and listen to the truth. That's how the system keeps you exactly where you are. And when you really sit with that quote, it hits different. You start to see how messed up the system really is. Most people don't even question it. They just fall in line, live life on autopilot, and wonder why they feel so lost. Now, let me take you back in time, 3 years ago. I didn't know what the hell I was doing with my life. And when you don't know what to do, you play the game, you follow the crowd. At least, I tried to. I never finished school. I honestly thought my future was locked in labor jobs forever. And that crushed me. I remember my first day at a warehouse job. I picked my first order with perfect precision, and one of the guys looked at me and he said, "Perfect. Now let's do the same thing tomorrow." That line made me realize one thing. I did not want to do that for the rest of my life. So that night, I went home and started researching ways to make money, ways to build something real. And that's when I started to see it. Society trains you to settle. People complain, but they don't change. They get motivated for one day and then go back right where they started. To be free in this life, it's not about luck, it's about discipline. It's about being able to put in the work after work, to build something while everyone else is settling down and sleeping. Most people accept the reality they're given, but few who break free, they create their own. Now listen, with all these bullshit ideologies and societal norms flying around, don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't do. Don't little yourself just to make others comfortable. Don't dim the light to fit in. And don't let other people who've given up on themselves convince you to do the same. People will project their fears onto you, try to box you in, tell you to be realistic, but that's just code for settle like I did. That is not your path. At the end of the day, it's your choices. It's your life, your responsibility. No one's gonna live it for you. No one's gonna come save you. You either build the life you want, or you work for the person who built the life for their dream. You can blame the system, blame the past, blame your parents, but none of that changes the fact that it's on you. It always has been. The world doesn't owe you anything. Not support, not understanding, not a second chance. So stop waiting for permission. Stop hoping someone else will hand you the blueprint to success. You want it? Get it. Shut the noise out, cut the dead weight, move with intention. Be the one that gets it done. And remember, the ones who doubted you today are the same ones who act like they always believed in you tomorrow. Push hard, work hard, play smart. And remember, live the life you love and love the life you live. I'm Jordan Bowie. Peace.